Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. We are running good profits. As you can see, this is B500. You can see this our entry here, okay, and our stop loss is somewhere above this level, and we are trying to swing this trade. This is a swing trade, okay, so we're gonna swing this trade down to this level here, okay, because you can see here on the higher time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, that price has been dropping. Like it's a downtrend, okay. So I'm expecting price to drop back to this support level, and you can see how the H4 closed. The H4 closed really strong bearish, so that shows that the closing price of every candlestick tells you what is happening in the markets, right? So we are seeing more of the sellers in the market. That shows that we have sellers in charge of the market right now. So like I said, we are expecting price to drop down to this level. So, and we're gonna move our SL from this very point up to this point, okay, in case price decides to spike to our entry again, okay. So we are running good profits now. We are running good profits now. You can see this is $24, 2 lot size with $119 equity. Okay, so and there are some other accounts like that we are still running good profits. So if we can hit here, if we can price drop down to this level as expected, we'll be making so much profit. So though it's gonna take a while, it's gonna take like a day, because this is H4 charts time frame. So you see on the H1 that we still have a very long way to go. We need to fly down here. Once this level is broken, and this level is broken, price is dropping here, okay, dropping down to this level. So now this is what I want to teach you guys. This is what I want to show you guys, that even without using indicator strategy, you can equally make profit, or you can even make more profit than somebody using indicator strategy. I'm not saying that indicator strategy, they are not working. They are working, okay, but if you can learn and know how the market moves, okay, the market direction, you make more profits, you make more money, right? So so you can see this is our resistance. Price hits the resistance the first time, tested the resistance the first time, could not break the resistance, drop down to this level, then push up again. Let me move to a lower time frame so you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so price hits the support resistance level, could not break the resistance level, drop down to this point, then push up again to this resistance point, okay. You can see now, and it could not break this level again. That shows that price will be dropping again. I can see the drop, and you can see the rejection we have around this level here. You can see the rejections here. We have so many candlesticks rejected around this level. That shows that there is a bullish rejection. There's no longer, we don't have enough bullish momentum, and price will be dropping again. Okay, so price just dropped, and it will keep dropping till our support level. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is move our SL to below our entry, okay, and watch how and see what's gonna happen. So I will pause this video, then record again and show you guys what happened, maybe after 2 hours from now. Show you guys what happened, how much we've made so far. So we are on $26 profits. So I'm not afraid. Even if it spikes, I know that it has broken this this minor support level here, this one here. Price has broken this price has broken this minor support level here. So if it goes up, it will only go up to retest this, maybe this point here, and drop. Okay, so I really hope it doesn't spike much. Okay, so if it doesn't spike much, we are going to make so much profit from this trade. So I'll pause this video and record again after an hour or two. Okay, so stay tuned if you're new on our channel, because when I'm back, I will show you guys what you need to look out for before taking a trade. Okay, so if you're new on our channel, kindly hit this the like button, the subscribe button, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel for updates like this. Okay, that'll be all for now. Stay tuned. Okay, so you can see, like I said, I'll be showing you guys what happened, but since I'll be stepping out, I might not be free, and where I'm going might be really loud. So I've decided to share this show you guys what is happening, and that we are still running good profits. Okay, though we had a little spike, we had a minor spike, and we are still running good profits. Okay, so if you're new on our channel, like I said, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more content, and join our free Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, yeah, and yeah, okay, let me quickly show you guys. Like I said, this is our resistance here. Price tried to break the resistance at first, could not, then push back again to that resistance level and could not break the resistance level. And you can see the struggle here. We have so many rejections here. We have so many rejections here that tells us, okay, that sellers are in charge of the market and price is dropping from that resistance level. And if you check on the 4 hours, okay, let me check. Okay, on the 1 hour, let's say 4 hours. On the 4 hours, you see price dropped down to this point, then pull back. This is a pullback. After this pullback, there will be an impulsive move down to the support levels. Okay, so that's why I took this trade, and you can see we have that's a very good entry here at this very point, and we're taking profits first TP here, and the second one will be down here. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. So this is how to trade boom and crash. You must not always have your indicator on the chart before you be able to know what is happening. Okay, so with this now, you can see price dropping back to this point, this support level here. Okay, that will be all for now. Thank you.